Good day everyone, so welcome again to our mini vlog, and today we feature naman natin ang ating 300cc 4x4 Bull. Alright, so shoutout po pala kay Sir Jeremiah ng La Union. Sir, nandito na yung unit mo at check lang po natin. Sir, nandito yung dalawang susi mo. Ayan, dalawang susi. At saka dalawang piraso ng remote. Alright? So ngayon, check lang po natin yung kanyang ilaw. Okay, mga ilaw. Okay, signal light muna tayo. Signal light to my right. Signal light to my left. So nandito yung ano niya, signal light. Ayan po. Bali nasa gilid, side. And try natin mag-hazard. Okay, hazard, left and right. Ayan. So ilaw naman tayo. This is the low and high. Low and up, then busina. At sa kagandahan sa ating 300cc na Bull ay meron siyang winch. Okay, so electric winch. Okay, this is